Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. So now today we are going to discuss the next case when the bill has been endorsed and it has dishonored. Yes, students, now we are discussing the third case. In this case, when the bill has been endorsed to a third party and it has dishonored. Now, when bill has been endorsed to a third party, so who is holding the bill? Endorsee. So the noting charges will be paid first of all by the endorsee, and later he will recover these charges, noting charges from the endorser. Endorser can be the drawer or it can be the person who has transferred the bill of exchange to him. And ultimately the drawer will be recovering these noting charges from the acceptor only. Okay. Now, beta, in the books of drawer only the journal entries are varying when at the time of dishonor of the bill. If the drawer is holding the bill, at that time the acceptor account will be debited and he will credit the BR account because he was holding the bill. But if he discounted it from the bank will be credited and the acceptor will be debited. And if he endorsed the bill to someone else, then endorsee will be credited and the acceptor will be debited. So these are the journal entries which are varying in the books of only drawer, and rest of the books are the same entries. So first we are discussing if the bill has been endorsed, so what will be the journal entry will be passed in the books of drawer. So at the time of dishonor of the bill, acceptor will be debited, that is drawee. यहाँ पे हमने नाम लिया है drawee का Y, so Y account debit. And who is holding the bill? That is endorsee. Endorsee का नाम हमने लिया है Z, so to Z account. Acceptor account debit to endorsee account. Okay, and here the amount will be written, that is amount of the bill, as well as noting charges will be added in this. Is this clear to all of you? Now come to the books of drawee. In the books of drawee the same entry will be passed, no difference will be there as we discussed in the previous two cases also. Bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to X account. X is the drawer. Always in drawee book the name of the drawer will be written. Now come to the books of endorsee. In endorsee, who will be the receiver? From whom he has got the bill, who has endorsed the bill, who has transferred the bill to him, and that was the drawer X debit. And he was holding the bill, तो जिसके पास बिल होता है उसकी बुक्स में हमेशा टू BR account and for the noting charges to cash account will be written. I think this is clear. Now we will discuss one practical problem. Yes, children, in this one question you can see that they have given A purchases goods worth rupees 6200 from B. So A is purchaser, means he will accept the bill, so A is drawee, and he has purchased goods from B of rupees 6200. So first journal entry is of purchase account debit to B account, and this is 6200, and gives him his acceptance for 6000 in full satisfaction. He has purchased the goods for rupees 6200, but he has accepted the bill of rupees 6000, and it has written it is in full satisfaction. It means he has received the discount. So here when he is accepting the bill, the journal entry is B account debit to bills payable, and he has received the discount, so discount here it is income for him, so it has also been credited to discount received account with the 200 rupees. Next is B purchases goods worth rupees 10,000 from C and endorses the bill to him, paying the balance by check. So these entries are in between B and C, so later I am going to discuss. On maturity, the bill is dishonored, noting charges amounted to rupees 100. So already I have told you that whenever the we dishonor of the bill is there. So in the books of drawing there is no change. Bills payable account debit, that is 6,000. Discounting charges, noting charges account debit 100 rupee, and here the discount has been received by him. So he is not paying, so he will not will be given the discount. So discount received account debit 200 rupee, and to be with 6,300 rupee. I think this is clear. Then we are starting the next. Now we just talk about the entries in the books of B, and B is here the drawer. In drawer books, first of all you just see that he has sold the goods to A. So A account debit to sales account 6,200, but A has accepted the bill of rupees 6,000. So here BR account debit 6,000, and he has allowed discount to him. So here the discount allowed will be debit with 200 rupee, and to A. A is given here with 6,200 rupee. Now he has B purchased the goods worth rupees 10,000 from C, so purchase account debit to C account 10,000, and then he endorses the bill to him. So C account debit to bills receivable account, but BR is here of 6,000 rupee, and with 4,000 rupee he is giving the check. So to bank account, that is with 4,000 rupee. Okay, now this bill is going to dishonor. So at that time, dishonoring of the bill, he in his book A will be the receiver of the bill back, so A debit, and who is holding the bill to C, and to discount allowed with 200 rupee. Is this clear to all of you? Now we will start in the books of C. Yes, now we are going to do journal entries in the books of C. C is endorsee, and B purchased goods worth rupees 10,000 from C. So C has sold to B. B account debit to sales account 10,000 rupee, and then B has endorsed him a bill. So BR account debit 6,000 rupee, bank account debit 4,000 rupee, and to B because B is giver with the 10,000 rupee. Now at the time of dishonor of the bill, he has received the bill from B, so B will be receiver in his books, and he is holding the bill, and so to BR and to cash for the noting charges. Who is always holding the bill in his books, beta? Always we have to write to BR, and for the noting charges to cash. Okay, so always keep in mind. Thank you very much. I think this video will be helpful for all of you. God bless you all.